Hi everyone, watch this video till the end and I'll show you how you can buy Bitcoin. So what I use is Etoro for cryptocurrency. So the registration process with Etoro is very simple. What I did was simply create my account with them, provided my tax ID number and verified my telephone number, and that was it for me. And I was able to start buying cryptocurrency. They also accept PayPal, so I just transferred my funds from my PayPal account within my Etoro Pro profile, and I was ready to go within 10 minutes. Open your Etoro app and go to the profile section, fill out your details so that the account is verified. Once you have verified your account, just click on the deposit fund. You can use whatever method you want, either PayPal, debit card, online transfer. There are many options available. I selected PayPal and it processed the fee very quickly as PayPal works. So just go back to your portfolio. Now here you will have your available funds, the profit that you have, if you have gotten any profit, and your equity. I added 200 euros in this account. It got converted to the equivalent in USD. Here I've already bought 50 euros worth of Bitcoin, 25 euro worth of Ethereum and 25 euro worth of Ripple. But now I'm going to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. So click on the Bitcoin option, click on the buy option, and if you select the amount, just provide the amount of money you want to buy. Here I will be putting 100, return, and then just click open trade. Now I have bought $100 worth of Bitcoin. So this cryptocurrency that I have bought is stored by Etoro, and I can easily transfer this cryptocurrency to either another hot wallet or a hardware wallet, depending on whichever I want to use.